Hey traders, today we're gonna scalp live on BYBIT with our Vumanchu strategy. I'm trying to take around 5 or 6 trades. It's a bit depending on how much Bitcoin is moving. Right now we are in a bearish momentum, at least on a 5-minute chart. But I think in the overall market we are still pretty bearish. So it's gonna be, most of the time it's gonna be short positions, but that doesn't stop us. Yeah, I'm really interested on how much profit I can take on a small account. I think the account that I'm using is around $70 or $80. And let's see how much gain on an account we can take in 1 or 2 days. So let's find out. So first things first, let's remove everything from the screen so we can start it together. Let's be sure we are on a 5-minute chart. In indicators we're gonna add 2 EMAs. And we're gonna add our Vumanchu. And some Vumanchu cipher B plus divergence. Let's change the settings of the EMAs. One is going to be 50. The one is blue, a bit thicker. The other one is going to be 200. Red, a bit thicker. So first things first, what I'm looking for is golden crosses and death crosses. So we had a golden and a death cross here. And after this death cross, I'm looking for short positions. We already had a lot of possibilities to take short positions. But one of the momentums where I'm especially looking purely from this indicator with Vumanchu to take a short position is when the price is going bearish and the price is going in the 50 EMA, and when it almost goes out, we need to have a red dot on the wave trend on the Vumanchu above the 0 line. So this is one point where it's exactly that, and we will take a short position when it breaks out of the 50 EMA. That's gonna be here. And what do we take as a short position? We take a 0.4 stop loss and a 0.6 take profit. Like that. So after that, it happened again. Well, it didn't happen here. The red dot was all the way here, but it still went growing. It took too long to take a short position. Right here, when it got out, you had a bearish divergence and you had a red dot, which is a double confirmation to take a short position. So I would have taken a short position after this candle with a 0.6 again, always 0.6 and 0.4. 0.4 is a stop loss. So right here we had a red dot as well on this candle. Right here we had a red dot as well on this candle. On this one, the money flow index is in the green, so I would not have taken this short position. It's better if the money flow index... Wait, let me change some settings of the Vumanchu to make it more clear. Sometimes you can hear my cat, just ignore it. So I want to turn off the fast wave trend. We don't need that one. And I also want to turn off the stochastic RSI. So right now it's more clear. What I also prefer to do is just, I don't know, I think it's more stylish to turn off wavetrend 1, because we know the wavetrend 1 and 2 are crossing when we have a red or green dot. So let us draw in some support and resistance lines here. From the 5-minute, you can draw a few lines like here. You can see that it's pretty accurate, but I prefer to also jump back into a higher time frame, and then you can see that it's doing something with these bottoms. Just off auto mode. that. Well, we have a resistance there, but it's pretty far away. I hope we can get there soon again, but it's still not looking bullish right now. So we are also pretty bearish on the 30 and 1 hour. As you can see how steep this downhill is, it's pretty insane. So we've drawn in our lines. So we went back to the 5 minutes. And right now, the price right here was actually perfect to take a short position, because it went against the trend line. The red dot crosses the 50 MA, and we had on that momentum a red dot on the Vumanchu wave trend, and the money flow index is in the red. That's for me, it's just take that position. So right now I'm looking for a new position. I'm gonna set some alerts. So I'm gonna set an alert on a 50 MA on one of these trend lines, and I'll get back to you when I have a entry position. So my alert just went off. So what I'm seeing right here is that we would have had a really nice profit right there if you have taken this one. But right now the price is hugging the trend line, and it is above the 50 EMA. So I'm waiting right now that the wave trend goes above the 0 line, and that we get a bearish red dot. When the price goes underneath the 50 EMA again, I'll take a short position. So let's see if this resistance trend line holds itself, and if the price wants to go bearish again. So as you can see right here, the price went up and it closed on the 50 EMA right now, and we have a red dot right here. So I'm waiting for the price to go a bit higher now. I want to take a short position right here. So I'll just jump right in here. I do a short times 20, 100%. I just go marked order for the ease, and I'll open a short position. So where I want to place my stop loss, short position right here. So my stop loss is going to be on 33722. 33722. 33717. Makes more sense, right? And on the limit order, let's say target profit, we go 0.6%, and that's going to be 33387. 33387. Make $7.8 on a small account like this. That's pretty good. So yep, I'm gonna fast forward this one, and I'll see you back with the results. If you also want to trade like us on BYBIT, please use our referral code down in the description below. You just have to press the link and register, and if you deposit some money on it, you can get a nice bonus. So please use our code. So that's gonna be our first win of today. It was a really nice entry right there. The recording program just skipped a lot of frames. I don't know why, but yeah, we took it. It's really nice. So if I go back to trading view, I'm going to wait for a new entry. Big chance that it goes right there, but we'll see what the price does. It's a good day to short. Let's say that. But there's a lot of price action, so that's really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna set my alerts again, and I'll wait for the next move. So unfortunately I wasn't there right here, but I did exactly what I'm asking of the chart to do. So it went up the 50 EMA again, and we had a red dot just after it closed underneath the 50 EMA. So this would have been a nice short position as well. So right now it's going again towards the 50 EMA, so I'm pretty sure that I can take another entry after it. So I think that the 50 EMA is just going like this, and maybe I can get one more short position out of this. And I think after that I should definitely wait for a next cross of the EMAs, because it has been a while. Of course we are in a big downtrend, so that's why I'm taking a bit more trades than normally. So I'm gonna place my alarm, my alert on the 50 EMA again, and let's wait it out. So we are finally back up. It's 30 past 10, so I think we can have an entry soon. As you can see, the money flow index is still really in the red. So even though we are really long already in this death cross, I still think that it has to come down one more time at least before I stop. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for a red dot to appear right there, and then it goes down, and I'll take a short position right here. So I'll see you back then. So I did exactly what I wanted. I should wait until this candle closes, but it's 3 minutes left, and the order book is pretty bearish, so I'm gonna take a short entry right there. So let's go 100% with a 20 leverage on short. I'll just go market buy, and I'm gonna set my stop loss. First, just easily try in there. Stop loss gonna be 0.4%. Saw some big moves, by the way. That's nice. And 0.6. So I'll set the stop loss on, wait, what is it? 31430. 31430. Profit is going to be on 31089. 31089. I'm gonna keep recording this, and I'll fast forward it for you. So that's 2 rinse in a row of today. I think I'm gonna stop right there with trading for today. It's pretty late already. This was a pretty easy one. So yeah, 2 wins in a row, pretty cool. Let's see how much gain on account we had today. So from today we've only did 2 trades. One with a win of 8.5 and one of $7.7. We started with $75 today, and we ended with what was it, 91 I believe, or 92. But that is a gain on account of 22% in 2 trades. Of course you can lose also pretty quickly if you use this type of leverage, but I just want to grow this account pretty quickly, just because it's a small account and I want to show you how to do it on BYBIT. If you're also down to trade like me, and you find this information useful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you like the video. I would also really appreciate if you are willing to trade on BYBIT, that you use our referral code. It helps us a lot and you can get a nice bonus from it. I'm gonna trade like this more often just to show you how to trade on a small account. Normally my account's a bit bigger, but please just don't throw all your money into it because you will lose in the beginning. It's normal, but just keep grinding it and you'll learn it. It's not really rocket science, so just keep going for it, and yeah, I'll hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.